Okay, so this is the Elna Supermatic, Vintage Elna Supermatic from the 50s. And I'm just going to show you these cam discs that you can remove to do different techniques of sewing. And this specific one is a beautiful scallop. And I'm just going to show you the dials here. This one right here, if you keep it up here, you put it up here, and this one, this is the automatic switch. You can move it up or down and tighten it. If it's down in this section here and not on A, then you can pop the disc out. And this stitch width, if you see it's at 0, it should be at 0 for you to take the cam shift off. So I'm going to show you this. This little thing here, you push down on it and the disc pops out. I'm going to have to make another video to show you how it operates and the scallop that will be sewn from this. But I'm just going to show you the pop out. See, it pops out. Remove it and push it down if you wanted to do it, and then pop it out. See, comes out. When you want it to operate, this you need to put it down to maybe 1, so that it's like very small stitches. And this, you need to move it up to A and tighten it. And that A means automatic. So we'll leave it down there for now. And then this, the stitch 0, you can move up to 4 so that it does the zigzags stitch. So I'm just going to show you before I end this video what the beautiful scallop looks like, and then I'll make another video when I'm actually operating it. So if you can see it, see that scallop? I don't know if you can see it very well, but just a second here. This scallop here. Oh, sorry for the poor viewing here, but I'll have to take another video and show you. Oh, there, it's a little more clear now. You can see the scallop. It's beautiful. So I'll make another video and I'll show my machine operating and sewing the scallop. Thanks for watching.